Just a very brief video. I just wanted to show you about two powerful new features that I've just added to the US stocks page. I'll do a full video on this in the weekend video tomorrow, but as you can see here, we've now got the SATA score and the Mansfield relative strength filters added in on the US stocks page. So you can now filter by these as well, and you can see in the drop down which comes up with the SATA score here. So I've organized it. I can get that to show. So we've got strong, which is the 6 to 10 range. You've got neutral, which is the 5 and 4 range, and you've got weak, which is the 0 to 3 range. So you can either do by individual scores. So if I just wanted a SATA score of 8, it will change to all of those with a SATA score of 8. You can also then break it down by industry, sector, and sub-industry as well. So if you only wanted to see the automobile manufacturers with an 8, there isn't any. If we do all the strong automobile manufacturers, there's 2 here currently. Do all the neutral, you can see there isn't any. You can see do all the weak. So at the moment, so you can do it by that. Another way you can do it is just by strong overall. So you can see currently there's 11 pages of results of strong, so the 10 to 6 ranges. And as I said, you can organize those by other features as well, whether it's just by the sector. So if we want to look at all the tech stocks that are on a strong score currently, you can see there's only 2 pages here. So there's only 104 results on a strong score currently. So you could break that down further by the individual groups or by relative strength. If you only want to see positive relative strength, then you can see we've only got 82 with positive relative strength. So